Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing super duper awesome. A common question that I get is मैं already equity mutual fund में invest तो कर रहा हूँ, क्या मुझे stocks में अलग से invest करना चाहिए? And मुझे इच्छा है तो what is the thing that I have to keep in mind? Now, one important thing that we have to understand is the difference. In stocks, when you invest directly in stocks, you are picking companies directly and investing in those companies directly. When you invest in equity mutual funds, you are investing in a basket or a pool, which is again eventually investing in stocks directly. So that is basically what it is. The eventual destination, please understand, the eventual destination risk return characteristics are pretty similar because eventually the money is going in stock markets only. So first, let's look at direct equity shares. If I have to build a portfolio of direct equity shares, what do I have to keep in mind? The first thing is that there are multiple sectors: auto, consumer, FMCG, pharma, healthcare, telecom, retail, banks, insurance companies, NBFCs, IT, all of these sectors. Now, I will not obviously buy one sector. I will buy multiple sectors. It may not be one or two, but maybe four, five, six as well. When I'm buying companies also, I will try and build a portfolio which is meaningful in nature of at least 10, 15, 20, sometimes even 25 or 30 stocks. So because of this, what happens is certain company ka jo share prices hota hai, it's a upwards of 5,000, 10,000. Some are even higher, some are obviously lesser. So if you try and invest at least 10 to rather 20 to 25,000 in every company and try and build a portfolio of 15 to 20 companies, you have to buy or rather invest at least 3 to 5 lakhs. And later on, if these share prices go down, then you have to again try and ensure that you put a meaningful quantity, because please understand, what is important is not picking stocks, but building an overall portfolio which is well diversified, rock solid, and which takes care of risk. So that is precisely how a mutual fund portfolio is built. When you invest in a large cap or a blue chip scheme, you are getting exposure to the most quality, best of the best scripts, which are invested by a fund manager and which is researched well, because these are large teams which research and which are where the fund is managed in a sophisticated fashion. So since you are not the only investor there and there are pool of investors and pool of money, the risk is managed better and it is also low cost in nature. So one important point the retail investor has to always keep in mind is the risk management. Better the fund manager capabilities are much better, and it is a large team which is doing the well qualified research. So you may not yourself have the time, research capabilities and skill sets and expertise to build a portfolio like this. So the equity mutual fund manager is doing it for you. Also, what is important is a lot of this thing and the investments are automated in nature. That is why it brings an unbiased nature to it. It ignores the noise and you invest in a systematic fashion. Also, it has very low entry barriers. It is flexible and convenient. So for instance, even if you want to put an investment as low as 500 or 1000 or 2000 or 5000, you can easily invest and get an investment exposure to multiple companies in a well diversified portfolio. So equity mutual funds offer you special products and convenience. So there are certain products where you can do a systematic transfer plan or a systematic withdrawal plan, or there are special schemes available which mix both equity and debt. And as the market falls, they increase exposure to equities, and as the market rises, they reduce exposure to equities by booking profits, which are called as dynamic asset allocation funds. ये जो होते हैं ये automated manner में होता है, systematic होता है, and you don't have to worry about it because the fund manager and the AMC is taking care of this. So that is again an advantage which you get in equity mutual funds, which if you try and do it yourself becomes difficult. So that is why we say that अगर market गिर भी रहा है and आपको अगर direct stocks में exposure है, and if you want to average out on certain stocks, you will be in a dilemma that कौन सा stock खरीदे, कितना खरीदे और कैसे allocate करें. All of that is taken care on logistically and in a hassle free manner through an equity mutual fund, because you are anyways, when you pump in additional money or when you invest additional money, that entire money is again, as I said, going to a well diversified scheme and a portfolio of stocks. So the crux is टाइम नॉलेज सफिशिएंट फंड स्किल एंड एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है तो म्यूचुअल फंड सही है. Sufficient funds to invest and keep investing regularly, because the thumb rule for both equities as well as equity mutual funds is that you have to keep investing regularly irrespective of the starting amount. stay invested for at least 5, 7, 10 years. Longer the better. So that was it for equities versus equity mutual funds. If you do like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone.